Okay, now when we describe motion, maybe in terms of the distance or distances or their speeds. So it is the displacement. Okay, pwede po natin siya i-describe in terms of their velocity or acceleration. So distances, this is denoted by E and its unit is in meters. The speed or speed is in terms of x over d over t. So its unit would be meters per second. Okay, that is distance over time. For displacement, this is the same with distance, but this is an example of vector quantity. So ini siya, mga scalar siya. So yung tag-vector quantity, magnitude plus direction. So matter ang direction sa displacement, velocity, o acceleration. Now, kung mumove ko, dari ko sa akin po na, kung mumove ko 3 steps forward, pila ko distance? 3 steps, di ba? Pila ko displacement? 3 steps forward. Na-direction. Nakasabaw. Okay. Balik ko. What if, kung kita ko tuturo sa balik na po sa tulo. Pila kong distance? 6 steps. Pila kong displacement? 3 forward, 3 forward. That is 0. Balik mo na. So, wala na displace ko, diba? Maura man akong lugar. Okay, so ang displacement, bumater yung direction, kaya pagpadungan ko dito na ako, positive 3, pag-backward ako, negative 3, that is 0. Nakasabot, kung sa'y kalainan sa distance o displacement. Okay? For example, ituyo ka sa kubal ng 300 meters, ang aduha sa 900 meters. Yung distance. Pero kaya nibalik man kaya pila yung displacement? 0. Nakasabot. Okay? So, we have displacement as change of x. Final position minus initial position. Ato na isang x at 0. So, na 0 to siya, kaya ang akong final position is same with the initial position. So, 0 ang iyaha difference. Ito na 0 ang displacement. Nakasabot. Okay. Now, aritas velocity. Ang atong velocity denoted by v, that is delta x over delta t, or the change of displacement over time. And we can expand this one as final position minus initial position over final time minus initial time. Okay. See for example, naatay ikaw 2 meters. Kanya ni-move ko sila 5 meters. Ilang mong distance na cover? 3. Kanya what if nakuha ka na ako ni siya within 1 second? Kaya akong speed?
3 meters per second.
Okay, that is 3 meters per second. Eh, muha man yung minus. X minus x initial. So we have, para makuha na ito ang velocity, we have 5 meters minus 2 meters divided by 3 cars, that is 3 meters per. So that is the velocity. Nakasabot or speed. So ang velocity, kung tangan, hindi mo na siya o direction. Kano sa man, wala yung velocity? Kung wala yung movement. Okay, wala yung motion. Okay, 0 man ang yan displacement. Kung 0 yung 1 delta x, kung pasabot yung velocity kaya? Nakasabot. Okay. Kano amang tama kayo nga constant na itong velocity? Kasi huwag pasabot o constant ganito. Di ba pa sa moving? Kaya tanan, mag-move ang tanan. Di ba constant sa kanya? Wala.
Nothing changes.
Don't changes. Okay. Kung changes sa sama? That is constant. Ang constant velocity yung sama? Walay, ang sama? Making more down, didn't change. For example, okay, 8 meters. So para makaimutang nga na ay constant velocity, buot pa sa buot, wala mo change atong velocity over time. Okay. So, dapat kung constant na 3 meters per second, dapat after 2 seconds na siya sa 8 meters.
So, maintain ang speed.
Maintain. Wala mo stop. So, 8 minus 5, 8 divided by 1, seconds, that is 3 meters per second. After another seconds, nasa naman siya? 11 meters. Nakasalot. Pila may speed from 2 to 11? Ang iyang distance, 9. Pero ang iyang velocity or speed kay number 1. Ay, ragyapon. Kaya kaya man 11 minus 2, that is 9 meters. I-divide, pila ito niya? 3 seconds. So, balik ragyapon ka 3 meters per second. Nakasabot. Okay. So, that is what we call constant velocity. If dili na kita mana ko 3 meters per second, after 1 second na 3 meters naman gyapon ni gusto after 3 meters per second na gyapon.
Baru gitu hasil pun.
Okay.
Apa?
Now, kung constant ang iyang velocity, na ba yung acceleration? Wala. Ano mo wala?
Yung acceleration, kalit pa ng gusto.
Pwede kalit ng kusog, that is accelerated no? Ang kalit na yung kayo na acceleration. Acceleration. Now, kini, na acceleration wa? Wala. Ano man? Wala may change of velocity. Kung 3 minus 3, that is 0. At ano pong i-rate? Ako pa rin kusog. So, acceleration is equal to the change of velocity over time. That is final velocity minus initial velocity, final time minus initial time. Okay? So, karon kung wala mausap yung velocity, ma-zero yung acceleration kay 3 minus 3, divided by 1, 0 yan po. So, our unit for displacement is meter. Our unit for velocity is meters per second. For acceleration, we have meters per second squared. Ano man na? Kaya ang velocity, that is in meters per second, i-divide of time, that is in terms of second, i-copy ang numerator, the reciprocal ang denominator, we have meters per second squared. Walang unit na ito po acceleration. Now, bila yung acceleration na ito, ano? Zero. Kay constant na velocity. What if mahanap ko din na yung siyang 1? Bila ito acceleration? Ulang. Hindi man. Bila yung acceleration? Ikan sa 3 meters per second, din na yung 1. 2 meters per second. Ulang. Negative lang. Negative 2 meters per second squared. Dapat ka na yun. Nakasagot. So, negative 2 meters per second squared. So, na-decelerate. Okay? So, what if ako imuon yung 7? Pila ito acceleration?
4 meters per second.
Okay, 4 meters per second. So, ang iyang acceleration dili kay ano ang 7 meters per second minus 3 meters per second divided by 1 second, that is 4 meters per second squared. Okay, so ang iyang acceleration is 4 meters per second squared. Pero samantala kayo nung na-constant iyang acceleration, makataas ang yung speed or iyang acceleration saan? Dili mo change. Okay, pareha din kaniya, constant iyang velocity kay dili mo change iyang velocity. So, karon atong i-constant ang iyang acceleration. So, dapat ang acceleration niya after 1 second dapat 1 second dapat 4 meters per second squared yapon. Pila man dapat dire? It should be 11. Makasabot. Okay? Pag-abot dire sa after 1 second pila naman po diya 1 second. Meters para mag-constant diya ang acceleration. Makasabot. Okay. Ano na? Nay mga na. Nakasabot ras acceleration velocity o displacement sa ilang units. Okay ra? itong grade 7 siya ha. Grade 7 eh, kay grade 8 ninyo vertical, kunya grade 9 projectile. Ano na ito po? Okay. Arita sa vertical. Now, there is a vertical na gitawag ko constant acceleration. That is the acceleration of vertical man sa ano mo na gravity. Okay. So, natay acceleration due to gravity na constant. Gitawag na ito acceleration due to gravity that is 9.8 meters per second squared. Bukod pasabot, kung akong pagtadak, zero pa na, pagbuhi na ko muna ako, in 1 second, equals to 9.8 meters per second. In 2 seconds, na times 2 na. In 3 seconds, na times 3 na. Nakasabot. Okay? So, muna siya ay atong constant acceleration. Karon mag-derive na tag mga formula. Okay. Kanon itudlok na ko ni mag-derive tag formula. Kaya ako ano yung nasa una ni kinira yung tulong ng formula. Okay? Kaya mag-take tag board exam niya, ang imong sa ligan memorization. Takto ka. Tupay baptics kila sa formula. Ilahay na kung tupay trigo, tupay inverse, tupay integral, tupay chemistry. Oh. Tupay physics. Imuhang sa ligan mag-memorize ka, takto ka. No? So, muna dapat magkatong ta mo drive. Kung yung kabalot ta mo drive, ibaw ta masulong problem. Kaya bawa naman tadi, hindi ka ng formula, ini yan, kabalot ta magduwag-duwag formula. Okay? Mag-start ta sa pinag-aunang formula for kinematics. This is applicable only in constant acceleration. Ayaw yun di gamita kung hindi constant acceleration. Kasagaran constant acceleration, vertical motion, kaya na acceleration.
Okay.
Una,
Okay pa kayo na yun.
hindi ako unang gamit ang bilis. Acceleration is